Good day. In today's lesson, we're simply going to be um, explaining a bit on the HTTP module, right? So let's get into it. Remember when I wrote a piece of code like this? Let me go ahead and clean all this. Remember when we wrote this at first? When we wrote takes a function of requests and the response, rec and rest. Don't say rest.write head. Let's give it 200. Content type, we say texts / HTML. Okay, and we need to indicate the port for it to listen to. So I'll say it should listen to port 8080 as usual. So basically what is going on here? What exactly is happening in this place? You see, the HTTP module creates an HTTP server, right? That listens to server port and give response back to the client. So it basically turns your system to a server and listens to a particular port for request. And in this code, we are telling it to listen to port 8080. Now, normally when you are writing, when you create a server, you need to indicate the type of content that is being displayed. In this case, our content type is HTML. It means that we are displaying this in our browser as an HTML file, and then we are returning the status code 200. Status code 200 means everything is okay. There are many status codes. Status code 404, for example, indicates that the file cannot be found and all that. This is written to our head, the head of our HTML. Just like when you input details inside your HTML tag, it doesn't necessarily display on the web page. And then here we are telling the response to end with this hello world, and that is what you see when we save it and we display it in our browser. Let's go ahead and just run this new terminal. Remember, this is how we run our Node.js applications. The first thing you need to do is to open your terminal. When you open your terminal, then you are going to go ahead and if you're using Node.js, it will automatically navigate to that folder where you are. And so after you open your terminal, then you're going to write node and then your file name. That's the name of your Node.js file. Click on enter. Then I go to my web browser and then I run it. And as you can see, that it's displaying hello world here. Now this HTTP module also comes with a property. It connects the property to your request and it's called the URL. So let's just go ahead and see what it does. I'm going to say response.write. rec.url. I'm going to go ahead and save it, restart my server, Ctrl C, run it again, go to my browser, refresh, and you can see it's writing /hello world. Let me go ahead and just clean this res.end, save that, start my terminal again. And as you can see, nothing displays, just a slash. But if I were to write something like /winter and I run it, you see it is returning to me everything after my base URL, right? So we are going to be looking more at the URL module, where we go into the URL module. We'll be taking a deeper look at it, and you see how you can divide your URL into several different parts, and also using get method transfer information from one page to another via your URL. So I'm going to see you in the next lesson. Take care.